Disease is changing its nature. It's important to keep in mind that disease is changing in its nature. We are more and more confronted in modern society by non-communicable disease, and therefore in the decades ahead we will be concentrating through the Aga Khan Health Network and other medical institutions in dealing with non-communicable diseases. And I refer to diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, mental and neurological illness, cancer and others. These are the areas where we must concentrate properly, to serve future generations of society. Speech at Creation of AKUH, Kampala, Uganda, December 17, 2015.